Hello. Okay, so this video, I'm actually gonna log out of this account and become a new jammer. A new jammer. Yes. So, let's start. So, we are out of this Candy's Roll of 15 account. We're out. So, I'll just create and start new. Oh yes, just choose your animal. Which one should I be? I'll do a monkey.
Let's keep the normal first, for now. Do you like cats or dogs? Cats. Dogs forever. Yes. No. So regenerate the pets. Oh, this one's nice.
Oh, wow. I don't like you, Peck. Okay. Oh, I never had a monkey ever. This is weird. Let's just...
So to create a classic new jammer account, just this. This looks like classic. This looks like a classic new jammer. Just... Huh? Oh! Oh, I forgot. I forgot that that's only for members. Okay, just this. I need
like a formal monkey. There you go. That's a formal looking monkey, I guess. Oh, the monkey walks so weird. I never had a monkey ever, literally. Anyways, let's create an account. There you go. A very cool monkey. Let's see how people treat new jammers. I need friends who wanna be friend with me. Let's see if someone would friend a new jammer. No one wants to friend a new jammer. No one wants to buddy a new jammer. Why? Maybe I should change my look. Maybe they don't approve, you know, in my how to become friend, how to make friends. If they approve of your outfit, they'll say hi back. You know? So let's buy something. This will look nice, definitely. Hi. Hello? Does anyone
want to be friend with me? I have no friend. Wait, their eyes are literally shooting at me. Ah! They're dangerous. They're a danger jammer. Danger jammer. New monkey! Monkey! Oh, he's a guest jammer. Oh, come on. No one want to be friend with me? Huh? Why does no one like guest jammers? New jammers, not guest jammers. No one?
Raccoon. Let's just try talking to someone in trades. Hi. Do you want to be friend? Do you want to be friend? Please? Please! Please! Please be friend. Do you like my son? Yes. Yes, I do. What are they talking about? Do you like my son? What? Okay. Are we friends now? Are we friends now? Sad face. Sad face. Sad face. Cry. Yay! Yippee! Yeah. Let's buddy this person. Where did she go? Here it is. Jammer and Peanut. Yes. Yay, my first friend. My first friend. My first friend. Yay. My first ever friend in AJ. Jammer and Peanut. Does this guest jammer want to be friends? Seems like they're following me. You? Seems like you want to be my friend, or do you just like monkeys? Someone buddy requested me. Yes, I will be your buddy. I will be your buddy. Hello, buddy. Lyra. Come on, Lyra. Lyra. I don't want overflow. Lyra. Come here, Lyra. Lyra. Where did Lyra go? Where's Lyra? Laura. Lyra? Wait, Lyra wasn't her name. My son wants to be a raccoon when he grows up. No! Where's your son? What do you mean? Oh, him? Oh, he's your... Oh! Our right now goal is to get free pets. A free pet. Anyone with pets on trade? Anyone? This.
Let's just trade everything we own. Oh.
Everything for that pet? Please, I need pet. Sorry, that is for gems, but this is for a lot of settlers. No! It already canceled before I could chat. Okay. Man, I need like a simple pet. Like, man. Pet? No one has pets? Why does no one have pets for trade? Who wanna be friends? New Jammer! New Jammer! Be my friend now! No! Literally no one wanted to be my friend. You. No? Be my friend. Please? Oh no, she left. No, she left. No! Where did Lyra go? No one wanted to be my friend. And I unsuccessfully have gotten no pets. Like, I only have this one pet. So, anyways, this video ends. Goodbye.